Mix baking soda directly into Listerine like this. Have you ever wondered why, despite spending a fortune on specialized cleaning products, certain areas of your home never seem to hold that high-end, sparkling finish? Today, I'm sharing a professional-grade secret that replaces almost everything under your sink. It all begins with a precise foundation. We are starting with exactly 1 tablespoon of baking soda. But this isn't just about throwing household ingredients together. When paired correctly with what comes next, it triggers a powerful, surface-safe reaction that lifts grime at a microscopic level without scratching your fine finishes. Next, we introduce 2 tablespoons of liquid soap. This acts as our surfactant, trapping oils and suspending dirt so it can be wiped away completely. Notice the formulation process. Getting the ratio exactly right is the key to achieving a streak-free shine on dense surfaces. To activate the solution, we integrate 240 milliliters of water. Watch how smoothly the elements blend. We want a perfectly balanced, fluid consistency that can be easily atomized through a spray nozzle, ensuring even coverage on every square inch of your home. Once transferred into a clean spray bottle, this single formula is ready to tackle your entire space. Watch how elegantly it cuts through residue on stone countertops and bathroom furniture, leaving behind nothing but an immaculate, polished reflection. Moving over to the sink basin, traditional cleaners often leave a dulling film behind, but this custom mixture breaks down hard water stains instantly. It's gentle enough for everyday use, yet powerful enough to maintain a luxury hotel level of clean. And yes, it's exceptionally effective for the toilet bowl and flooring as well. It neutralizes odors completely at the source, while creating an invisible barrier that repels future buildup. 1 bottle, endless uses, and flawless results every single time. You don't need an entire cabinet full of harsh chemicals to achieve a spotless home. You just need the right science. If you appreciate premium efficient lifestyle hacks like this, make sure to save this video so you can replicate the exact ratios later. Comment bathroom below if you are going to try this formula at home this week, and let me know which surface you're tackling first. But before you run to your kitchen to mix this up, there is one critical mistake people make with this specific formula that can actually ruin its effectiveness entirely within 24 hours. Because we aren't using industrial chemical stabilizers, the order of how you mix these ingredients and how you store the bottle away from direct sunlight determines whether it stays powerful or completely loses its potency. Most people don't realize that standard store-bought cleaners are packed with artificial fillers that actually attract dust back to your surfaces faster, forcing you to clean more often. This clean, minimalist formula does the exact opposite by breaking down the surface tension, meaning your toilet bowl, sink, and floors will actually stay clean and repel grime for twice as long. If you want to know the exact shelf life of this home mixture, the hidden reason why this specific blue soap combination works so flawlessly, and the one surface in your home you should never use baking soda on, let's talk down in the comments. Make sure to comment bathroom right now if you are going to try this formula at home this week, and I will send my personal step-by-step master guide for a luxury hotel shine directly to your inbox.